going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Right now we are about to tear apart the beams and see if there's anything wrong with it. We might have to pull the motor, kind of hoping we don't have to, but right now we're going to drop the upper and lower oil pan. We're going to see if maybe the rod bearings are bad. If not, then we might have to pull the motor and lift the head and see if it's something deeper than maybe we didn't think of before. Another update that's been going on is I got another beams. I ended up yesterday picking up another beam. It's not a brand new beams. It was sitting for a while and it might have damage, it might not. But the plan for that motor is I'm going to get parts off it if I need. And then I'm going to rebuild that one. I'm going to put upgraded pistons, rods, injectors. I'm going to port the head. And that's going to be the motor that I'm going to build for maybe like 400 horse. I don't want to go too crazy, but I want it to be, a pretty good motor. I want it to be able to hold it and hold it well and put beams on the map. I want to be able to show up and gap someone, be like, oh nah bro, it's a 4-cylinder beams. Everybody's gonna think it's a 2J, but nah. I want to be showing them what the beams can do. Right now we're gonna start dropping everything on the one in the car. Alright guys, so starting the disassembly because the motor's coming out. Look how small the turbo is. Look at me getting exposed.
It's a little baby turbo.
So yeah guys, little by little we're just gonna start disassembling it. I already started draining the coolant. She's coming out. And it goes down there, disconnecting the lower radiator hose. Most of it is already disconnected thanks to the help of my dad and Mr. Mako down there. There he is. There it goes. Fans and everything. I have to take off the front of the turbo to be able to get the downpipe. Doesn't make sense, but it's the way it was angled. And we've literally just been disconnecting a bunch of plugs and lines and didn't want to bore you with that, so we're kind of just skipping around.
There's 4 bolts.
Where the hell are they, in the middle? Oh, I see it.
2 bolts, 13 and 14. Long 13 or short? Short. There should be a bungee cord right there. Yep. If it's tight, it holds it up a little bit.
I lost my hat again.
We're going to move it a little bit forward and everybody start looking, making sure there's nothing. I got a place I can put on this side. The other side, I guess we'll do what you said.
This is a pretty long chain.
Right now, we're about to pull out the motor. We're just trying to get it wrapped around so we can pull it with the hoist. Trying to figure out where to mount it up. So drop it down and we can...
Yeah, drop it down and I'll just grab it.
We're about to pull the motor.
We're puckering very hard.
Yes, very, very hard. Looking that everything is disconnected.
Oh, we never did these hose, the heater cord. Yeah.
There it goes.
Yeah, they're just...
I think it was caught on the mount.
Just a little more of it. Do me a favor, let some air out of the jack.
Out of the
jack.
Let the tranny clean a little. Wait, no, stop that. We're up against the firewall.
That good?
Yeah. Try jacking a little bit now.
Jack it up a little bit?
No, I'm talking
No,
about...
you, Mike.
Mako, sorry. I mean, Mike.
It's still coming up with the car. Okay, it's going up without the car now.
Okay, now Mako, lay out some air down there.
Okay.
Okay, break it again. Okay, okay, stop. Mako, let out some more. Let me look behind here and make sure there's no surprises.
It looks like it'll clear.
Idiot.
Oh, hi.
Can you,
It's almost
can
down.
you crawl under there?
Maybe.
Let me see if I can pull the motor forward.
What about in the back, Mako?
Well, you have the lines coming off the back that are hitting the radiator hose. Why were you saying that?
Okay, let's take it off.
Try pulling it forward, maybe?
Oh no, this hose does. No, that's another hose, Mako, you know that?
Oh, it is?
Yeah, we gotta jack it up just a little bit.
Jack the transmission
Yeah,
up?
jack the transmission up a little. A little bit more, Mike. Just a little. I mean, Mike, Mako. Okay, Mike, you go. Your turn.
Keep it going?
Yeah. Okay, hold it. Yeah. Cody, where's the power steering pump? Grab the power steering pump. Okay. Perfect. Go. Up. Up to the Okay, stop. Let's take a quick look, everybody. Flashlight out.
There goes the power steering pump.
It's not big good.
Everything looks good. Oh, wait, hold it. What's this?
Is it tangled or is it connected?
This is connected to something.
Oh, no. It's
No.
just tangled.
It's hanging weak side.
Okay, anything else back there connected? No?
Does not seem like it.
You're clean. Okay, go. You're also on yours, Michael.
It's massive.
Yeah.
It's really big. I didn't know J160 was that big. I feel like it's a very similar size to a
You don't see
V160.
any more stuff pouring out of the tank, right?
It's probably similar.
Oh. Don't think so.
Okay, jack it some more. See if it'll go up any higher. Not too much more, it's gonna hit up there.
It's gonna hit.
Okay, stop there.
We're gonna have to lift up that.
Yeah. Go. It's just rubber grouping.
Pull back.
Shifter go? Here, go right there.
Find the hole.
Alright, go. You help him over there. Me and Cody will lift the trailer. Okay, so you watch.
Wait, it's hitting the garage.
You watch it. It's hitting the garage door.
Lower it.
No, don't lower it. Just pull.
Go.
It'll go.
Pull. Yeah, if you try lowering it, this thing will slam down. What happened? Oh, scared me.
Ready?
Go.
Watch out, Michael, your toe. Go to your toe. Alright, we do.
Okay, Cody, get your feet out of there. Go. There you go. Okay.
Alright, now we gotta kick it straight.
Alright. So now kick this side over because we're gonna have to go into it straight.
Straighten it out.
Hold this one. That's one up.
Hold it.
Ready?
Yep.
The other one up.
Okay, nice and slow. Okay, bring it down. We're gonna have to bring it down a little more. You know when the wheels are touching. Push.
Alright. Second set on there?
One's already in. Yeah, there we go. Whoever has the jack. Yeah, don't use the corner. He's not with the jack anymore. Nice job, Joe. And we earned our
Motor's out! Finally, after all the motor training. So now, tomorrow we just gotta start tearing it apart and see what's wrong inside. Finally, out of the car. Thank you to Michael,
Any day, bud.
Mike, and my dad over there. Where are you? It won't focus. Thank you.
Hey, you got it, babe.
And now she's naked. She doesn't have a heart. So that was just getting the motor. Ah, here we go, Michael. Talking again. I'm kidding, Michael. I love you.
I was only missing 110 before and now I'm missing 2.
Now you're missing 2 10s? That's what happens when you come to CJ House. We pulled the motor out. Now tomorrow we start the disassembly. And hopefully we find out what's wrong and it's not too bad. Thanks for watching. Catch you on next upload. What are you smiling at? No! The hell are you smiling at? Damn.